All right, everybody, it's about 9 o'clock. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Heather Bennett. I'm the Student Support Administrator at WAVA, and with me today is Miss Kathy Swartz, our Student Resource Coordinator. And we are so glad you're here, and we hope that you are having a great summer and that you are getting excited for school to start. I know we are. We're getting pretty excited. So this workshop is called Best Practices because it will just kind of give you a sneak peek at um, the best way to have a good year at WAVA. All right, so first we'll go over our classroom guidelines. So every time you are in an online class, these are guidelines you should follow. You need to be there. Turn off other computer programs, the TV, etc., so you can be fully present during the session. Be on time. We will begin on time. And you probably noticed that you were able to log in about 10 minutes early. Most teachers do allow that. That way, if anything happens, you need to troubleshoot. Maybe your computer freezes, things happen, then you'll have time to log out and log back in. Be prepared. Have a paper and pencil ready to take notes, work on a problem, talk on the microphone, etc. It's always a good idea to have a little notebook next to your computer with a pencil so that you can take notes in class if there's anything that you want to remember later on. Be engaged. Keep your chat and use of tools to the topic being discussed. Be respectful, contribute positively to the learning community with your words and actions, and most of all, have fun. All right, so we'll just go over a little bit about Neuro again. Make sure that when this screen pops up, you choose your correct devices. If you're ever having issues with using your microphone or being able to hear your audio, go back to this screen and make sure that the correct devices are chosen. And then, of course, we really like to use Google Chrome for Neuro. It works the best for Neuro. But if that doesn't work, you can always use Firefox or Explorer. But just know that you won't have the same capabilities in those. So make sure to try to use Chrome if you can. I mean, if you're ever having issues with that, just go to your history and delete your history, and that should work great. And then make sure that it is the only tab open. And then, of course, on this page, it just kind of shows you the different capabilities you have. You can see our participant box. We have 53 participants today. You can see your chat box, and you can enlarge your picture. And then you can also turn off your camera and your audio. All right. And then, of course, you can see where the tools are. I will turn those on. Hopefully you can see those. On the next page, let's just practice with our tools. We can just make shapes on this page. So go ahead and do that. And I will make sure that you have that permission. Here we go. All right. So that should be working for you. Go ahead and grab a shape. I'm going to do a triangle today. Yesterday I did a square. Maybe I'll change it. Maybe I'll do a circle. So let's go ahead and fill this page up. Good job, everybody. I like doing the shapes. They're pretty fun. And it's really good to practice with your tools. That way, when you get to class, you'll be an expert, right? All right. Awesome job. Thanks, everybody. All right. So WAVA best practices. You need to log in every school day. Do you think you need to log in when it's a day off? No way, Jose. No way. You need to take that day off and have lots of rest and have some fun with your family. But when it's a school day, make sure you're logging in every school day. Complete all your daily lessons. Attend all required Class Connect sessions. Attend your monthly progress conference with your teacher. And remember, this is not a scary thing. This is a time for you to get to know your teacher and for your teacher to get to know you. And you can share how amazing and wonderful you are. Attend all testing, MAP and state testing. And make a schedule for yourself. Make sure that you have a schedule set up and ready to go every day. Get a good night's sleep every night. Eat healthy. And this one is really important. Communicate with your teacher. If you ever have any questions, maybe you're having issues with some of your lessons and you can't figure out how to turn something in, contact your teacher right away. And don't forget that we are here for you. Kathy and I are assigned to you in Contact My Teachers. We are more than happy to help you whenever you need it. Just give us a call or an email, and we're happy to help. All right, so make a daily, weekly schedule. This will help you schedule out your day, and this will just kind of help you every week just to make sure that you are on top of everything. So here are some things to think about. Get up at the same time every weekday. Set your breakfast and lunch times. Schedule your study time during the day. Make sure that you are doing your lessons at a certain time every day so that you don't forget. Set up reminders on your computer or your phone. Think about your home life and your commitments and put that on your schedule as well. Make a schedule that fits you, but don't be afraid to make changes throughout the year to better fit you. Some families have found that what works for them at the beginning of the school year might not work towards the middle, and especially not at the end. So you have to make changes to best fit you and your family and what's going on in your own home. All right, go to bed. The benefits of sleep. Make sure you get a good night's sleep. Sleep helps you grow, helps you stay focused, helps your memory, helps your learning, and sleep helps your overall mental and physical health. It's super important to get a good night's sleep every single night. I know it's really hard to get a good night's sleep in the summer, right? Because it stays light out so late. And then you go to bed at like 10 o'clock and you try to wake up the next morning and it's super hard. Make sure that you get a good night's sleep every night so that you can do your best in school every day. And then make sure you're asking for help. We don't want your school day to go for like 12 hours, right? If you are having struggles in school, you can't seem to get lessons completed, or maybe something seems a little hard, you're just struggling, reach out to your teacher. And your teacher is there to help you with all your courses and assignments, any of those questions that you have about live classes. Maybe you're struggling to find the recordings, or maybe it's just not working for you. Contact your teacher about anything with classes and recordings. Make sure that you're always checking in with them weekly. Any non-academic questions that you have, like navigating our platform, time management, social opportunities, things like that, please contact me. And then contact Kathy for any social emotional support that you need, any non-school related issues. Maybe you're having issues with your laptop, tech and internet support. Please contact Kathy for those things. And then if you're not sure who to contact, contact one of us because we know who to contact. Kathy and I have been at WAVA for a long time. So if we don't know the answer, we can find people who do.
And we do love hearing from you if you have any questions. Don't hesitate.
That's right. All right. So yesterday you came to orientation. Yay. Thank you so much. Today it was your best practices workshop. Tomorrow is the role of the learning coach workshop. So that is definitely geared toward the person who is helping you with school. Um, Thursday is navigation, where we will just take a look at the online school and just kind of go through it and click away. And when we have that workshop, you are more than welcome to open your online school on another browser. You'll just kind of hear me talking, but then you'll be able to navigate on your own. And then Friday is our Q&A session. So if you have any questions that you have not gotten answered yet, come to that session and we can help you figure it out. And then, of course, don't forget the online learning course should be opening up today. If it did not open yesterday, it will certainly open up today. You'll be able to complete that. It's 4 lessons. It has a lot of great information for you. So please complete that as soon as you can. And that is the end of our workshop today. Thank you all so much for being here. We really appreciate it. We love seeing you. I'm just going to turn off the recording now. If you have